Now I'm going to show you two simple but spectacular techniques for painting carved ornaments. The two techniques begin in the same way. I evenly paint the entire ornament with a base color using a high-pigment acrylic paint. Pro tip: always shake and stir the paint through roughly before use. It's better to wait until it's completely dry, and then I can start the first technique, which is the dry brush. I take a brush with dense bristles, almost like a makeup brush, and pick up a little paint and then wipe it off almost completely. And now comes the key part. We want to gently touch only the prominent parts. This creates that beautiful highlight effect. For the second technique, I start with the base color as well and apply a second layer on top of that. And before it dries, I wipe it back off. This way, the darker paint remains in the deeper areas while the lighter base color reappears on the surface. And if we want a really exciting result, it is possible to combine the two at the end.